is Sierra.
My name is Mary Bullington.
My name is Lisa Miller.
My name is Desiree.
My name is Terry.
I'm Albert.
My name is Gail.
My name is Dorinda Frederici.
My name is Tara.
My name is Ashley.
And this is Milo's.
I just wanted to say how great Lowe's is, and that is not an exaggeration. I've been doing here many, many years, and they are fantastic.
Shop at Lowe's all the time because I can get what I want. If I can't find it, plenty of people here can help.
I'm in and out the store 4 or 5 times a day. The help here is tremendous. They have everything that you need when you need it.
I don't know what I would do without the Pro Services assistance, because when I come to Lowe's, I have no clue. But they give me all the help I need, lots of attention, immediate service, and professional. The best.
Hey, this is Stacy Smith, store manager at Lowe's 767. This is my Lowe's.
This is Milo's.
This is Milo's.
This is my Lowe's.
This is Milo's.
This is Milo's.